How did I make $1 million in sales with such a simple system? Let me break it down for you. Want to know the secrets to making that $1 million in sales for your business? It is a lot simpler than you think. I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step system I used to generate over $1 million in sales and how you can do the exact same thing, even with a smaller audience than I have. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a proven business system that works no matter what industry you are in. And trust me, there's a lot of entrepreneurs out there making huge amounts of money that you are most probably following, and they are using this exact same strategy. You just don't know about it. Step number one is you need to build an audience. Before I sold anything, I focused 2 months of dedicated work to growing an audience. I didn't chase after thousands of followers. I focused on attracting a smaller, highly engaging audience who cared about what I was saying. I started by posting content, valuable content on social media, growing my email list one at a time, and engaging directly with my audience. The moment someone made a comment, I engaged with him. And I engaged with him authentically. Slowly over time, I built a loyal audience. Now, step number two, create raving fans. Not everyone who is following you is going to buy from you, and that is perfectly okay. I focused on the people that really loved and enjoyed my content, and I engaged with them to build a deeper relationship, to understand their pain points and what they are looking for at a much deeper level. I started a small group for my most engaged followers. WhatsApp, TikTok, Telegram, Facebook group, take your pick. I provided extra value. I made exclusive offers and I fostered a community. And later on, they became paying customers. It is all about front loading the value, giving away everything for free. And don't be afraid to do it. A lot of people are afraid to give away all their best stuff. You won't believe what loyalty you can create with your following. Trust me, you're a smart person. You'll think of a lot of other things to add on to the value you've already given them. And that is when they will pay. Step number three, filter fans into customers. Here is where it gets critical. Turning fans into customers. I used a simple system to filter out non-buyers and attract the serious ones through email marketing, funnels, and direct outreach. I filtered my audience and made sure my offers were targeted to the right people. I then launched a course, and by offering them some early bird bonuses and some limited time offers, I converted that engaging audience into customers. And I did this without feeling pushy. I didn't have to convince anyone to join my program because this is some really good advice I received in the beginning. A confused mind will not buy, and a person convinced against their will is of the same opinion still. Now on to step number four. Keep shouting your offer. Once I had my offer, I kept on reminding people about it. I didn't just mention it once. I stayed top of mind. Coca-Cola spends billions of dollars to stay top of mind. Remember, they don't have a customer base. They need to keep the marketing in your face. And that's exactly what they do. That's hence they spend billions of dollars to keep that red Coke can swirling in your mind. Multiple touch points are essential. People need to see your offer 7 or more times before they are going to make the decision. I sent out multiple emails. If you are part of my email list, you know that you're getting an email from me twice a week. You're getting a newsletter from me once a week. I post consistently on social media all the time. And I used reminders to refresh my target audience minds. And the sales just started rolling in. And after doing this consistently over and over and over, eventually it just became autopilot. People knew what I was about, people knew what I was selling, and when they were ready to buy, they clicked on the button and joined the inner circle. So, how simple is the system? Build an audience, turn them into raving fans, filter fans into paying customers, keep shouting your offer until they buy or leave. Want to learn more about the system and how to perfect it for your own business? Then join my masterclass. Click below and get onto the class as soon as possible. Trust me, it's not going to be for free for much longer. In this masterclass, I'm going to teach you the following: the step-by-step approach that I use to turn fans into customers and sell over $1 million. How to create simple, repeatable system for your business, and real life examples you can apply to your own business model. What's great about the system is it's a plug and play, but it can be tweaked for all kinds of businesses, online, physical, you name it. I did it with a very small audience. You can too. Let me show you how to build a $1 million sales engine today.